What's up, everybody? It's gonna be a really quick one, maybe my shortest gardening video ever. I just wanted to do a quick joys of night gardening while I'm out here, or down here rather. Just making some ramen, and I'm gonna come out here and get a pepper off. Maybe a ghost, or what do I have? Reaper or ghost, whatever, whichever one it is. They all taste the same to me. They're all incredibly hot. But I'm gonna grab one of those, put it in my ramen, and while I'm out here, I was meant to do this earlier. I forgot. Do a little price on a cherry tree. So this is the Barbados cherry. It has like red cherries that they say taste like fruit punch when they're fully developed, and it looks amazing. Like when I got this, it was just a little stick coming out of the ground with maybe one of these, but now it's all around. I'll give you a far shot. It goes all the way around now. They're like little arms coming out. Really proud of this thing. Check that out, baby. All right, and on to, oh, right there, Alouette, which means songbird in French, by the way. Once again, let's turn the wrong way. Shit, this is the back of Alouette. All right, there she is right there. Looks incredibly vibrant, healthy, and green. Love that. Alouette is a yellow Jamaican cherry. I read those taste like cotton candy. I hope all this is true, man, because I got big expectations for these cherry trees. Last but certainly not least is the elder statesman, the biggest one, Alexander. And man, he's giving me some real problems lately. I had to move him back here along with the fig trees because they were not handling the sun well at all. Like, I put him out in the sun again, try to give him some full sun. He's gotten a lot bigger, and he started withering again, and leaves started turning yellow. So I put him back here. He's happy again. Just does not tolerate sun at all, which is ironic because the little ones tolerate it really well. Like, this is not a shade spot. They're right in full sun and they're thriving. But you know, every plant has a unique personality, just like people. So you know, it is what it is. We accommodate. But like I said, guess I'll grab the pepper while I'm out on here. Oh, speaking of growth, there's tomato fruits. That's lemon boy tomatoes. Staked him the other day, caged that one. But man, these peppers are not having a good time either. They look shriveled up, but they're fine. But they just had to get a new spot. They got to be in the shade too. Not handling sun well at all. And they got a lot of fruits too. I'll grab that one off, even though it's not fully developed. I still want it. And this pepper plant is doing well. It's got a big red. Excuse me. Big red cayenne there. This is fully developed. I mentioned this. Peppers all turn red when they're done. You wait long enough, like jalapenos even. They'll turn a bright red like this. And I wait for that because they become kind of sweet as well as spicy. Wait for the lines or striations, as they call them, if you want to be fancy. But yeah, man, I'm going to grab maybe one more green one, fat green one right there. That's all I need. All right, love you. See ya. God bless. Take it easy.